Welcome to the new Faculty Schedule tool. In this video, we'll cover some basic navigation tips, best practices, and a few additional features. We have also created a handout linked below to give you some hands-on instructions. But if you need any additional assistance, please contact your division office. To access your division schedule, navigate to the dashboard site. A link to the dashboard site is embedded in the handout. Feel free to bookmark this dashboard page for easy access to all division schedules. When you load the division sheet, you'll automatically start off on the table of contents sheet. If your division has linked the table of contents to the individual faculty sheets, then you can click these links to access your sheet directly. You can also use the tabs at the bottom to navigate and find your sheet. In this part of the video, we'll cover how to enter your information into the schedule header, as well as loading your class schedule. At the top of the page, there are a few fields or cells you will need to fill out. Click the appropriate cells and type the necessary information. Every instructor schedule uses the same format and layout, so we do not recommend editing or modifying this top area. Coordinate with your division if you have any formatting requests or suggestions you'd like to make moving forward. After you have filled out the required fields, instructor, office, phone, and email, proceed to the bottom area to enter your class schedule. Each instructor sheet will have a standard set of time slots in order to enter class schedules. We recommend using the existing layout and rows provided to ensure your schedule will print appropriately. But if you need to add time slots or adjust rows, feel free to modify this area to meet your needs. When adding your office hours, on-campus hours, and class schedule, be sure to follow these formatting rules to ensure your sheet will automatically add cell color to your entries. If you would rather fill in the cell color on your own, feel free to add this feature manually and ignore the following formatting rules. We kept the formatting for this type of cell flexible so that you can add various text strings into the cells and still get automatic formatting. As long as you have the word office anywhere in the cell, the conditional formatting will work as intended. Here's some examples we suggest you use. If you need to add any on-campus hours, simply use the word campus anywhere in the cell. Using the keyword campus will trigger the conditional formatting to apply these cells automatically. Here's some examples you could use for on-campus hours. When adding your class schedule, follow the same naming structure as what is used on the browsable class schedule in order to have the cells automatically format the color. The conditional formatting for these cells is a bit more picky, so be sure your cell contains the course abbreviation, course number, and section. Here are some different ways you can enter your courses and still get the conditional formatting applied. In order to print your schedule, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to your schedule or page. 2. Click File, then choose Print. 3. Ensure your settings are set appropriately. These are the recommended settings. 4. Click the Next button. 5. Depending on the browser you are using, you will be presented with different options. In Internet Explorer, click Open at the bottom and print the file when it loads. In Firefox, click Print from my computer in the pop-up and open the file. Print once it loads in PDF. For Chrome, click Print in the window that appears. No download needed. If you'd like to add another column or additional rows, follow these steps. To insert rows, select or click the row you'd like to insert a new row above or below, then click Insert, Row Above or Row Below. To insert columns, select or click where you'd like to insert a new column. Click Insert, then column left or column right.